Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Nissan Micra, a compact car that has been turning heads with its blend of style, performance, and technology. Whether you're considering a new daily driver or simply curious about the latest in automotive innovation, this comprehensive review will provide you with all the insights you need. Exterior design. The 2025 Nissan Micra showcases a sleek and modern design that sets it apart in the compact car segment. Its aerodynamic contours not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to improved fuel efficiency. The front fascia features Nissan's signature V-motion grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide excellent illumination and a distinctive look. The sculpted sides and bold character lines give the Micra a dynamic stance, while the rear is accentuated by stylish taillights and a subtle spoiler, adding to its sporty demeanor. Interior comfort and features. Step inside the Micra, and you're greeted by a thoughtfully designed cabin that maximizes space and comfort. High-quality materials adorn the interior, with soft touch surfaces and available leather upholstery providing a premium feel. The ergonomic layout ensures that all controls are within easy reach, and the intuitive infotainment system keeps you connected on the go. Despite its compact dimensions, the Micra offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a comfortable choice for longer journeys. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 Micra is powered by a 1.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers a balanced mix of performance and efficiency. With 100 horsepower on tap, the Micra provides brisk acceleration, making city driving and highway merging effortless. The engine is mated to a continuously variable transmission, CVT, ensuring smooth and responsive power delivery. The Micra's suspension has been tuned to offer a comfortable ride while maintaining agile handling characteristics, allowing drivers to navigate tight corners with confidence. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the 2025 Micra is its impressive fuel economy. Thanks to its efficient engine and aerodynamic design, the Micra achieves up to 20 km per liter, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel alike. This efficiency not only helps reduce running costs but also minimizes the vehicle's environmental footprint. Technology and connectivity. The 2025 Micra comes equipped with a suite of advanced technologies designed to enhance the driving experience. The centerpiece is the Nissan Connect infotainment system, featuring a 7-inch touchscreen display with smartphone integration, allowing seamless access to navigation, music, and hands-free calling. Additionally, the Micra offers a premium audio system that delivers crisp and clear sound, elevating your in-car entertainment experience. Safety features. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Micra, which comes standard with a comprehensive array of safety features. These include anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic brake force distribution, EBD, brake assist, and multiple airbags strategically placed throughout the cabin. Higher trims offer advanced driver assistance systems such as lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, providing an extra layer of protection for you and your passengers. Trim levels and customization. Nissan offers the 2025 Micra in several trim levels, each catering to different preferences and budgets. From the well-equipped base model to the feature-rich higher trims, there's a Micra for everyone. Customization options include a variety of exterior colors, interior finishes, and accessory packages, allowing buyers to tailor the Micra to their personal taste. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the Micra impresses with its responsive steering and composed handling. The compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver through congested city streets and tight parking spaces, while the well-insulated cabin keeps road noise to a minimum, ensuring a serene driving experience. The elevated driving position provides good visibility, instilling confidence in various driving conditions. Competitor comparison. In the competitive compact car segment, The 2025 Micra holds its own against rivals such as the Ford Fiesta, Volkswagen Polo, and Seat Ibiza. While each of these models has its strengths, the Micra distinguishes itself with its unique blend of style, efficiency, and advanced features. Its fuel economy is particularly noteworthy, offering an advantage for those prioritizing cost-effective driving. Ownership costs and warranty. The Micra's affordability extends beyond its purchase price, with low running costs and competitive insurance rates. Nissan provides a comprehensive warranty package, offering peace of mind to owners. Additionally, the Micra's strong resale value reflects its reputation for reliability and quality. Environmental impact. With its efficient engine and low emissions, the 2025 Micra is an environmentally conscious choice. Nissan's commitment to sustainability is evident in the Micra's design and engineering, making it a responsible option for eco-minded drivers. Conclusion. The 2025 Nissan Micra is a compelling choice for those seeking a compact car that doesn't compromise on style, performance, or technology. Its thoughtful design, efficient powertrain, and comprehensive feature set make it a standout in its class. Whether you're navigating urban environments or embarking on longer journeys, the Micra is equipped to meet the demands of modern driving. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the 2025 Nissan Micra. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts on this vehicle, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews and automotive insights. The 2025 Nissan Micra's rear design combines functionality with modern aesthetics, making it stand out in the compact car segment. The back features sleek, angular LED taillights that wrap around the sides, giving the car a bold and dynamic look. A subtle roof spoiler enhances aerodynamics while adding a sporty touch. The rear bumper is sculpted with clean lines, and the integrated reflectors contribute to better visibility. Depending on the trim level, a chrome accent or a blacked-out lower section enhances the car's premium feel. The tailgate is designed for easy access to the cargo area, which offers ample storage for a car of its size, making it practical for daily commuting and weekend getaways. The Nissan badge is prominently placed at the center of the tailgate, with the Micra nameplate positioned just below it. Higher trims may feature a rear view camera and parking sensors, improving safety and convenience. The exhaust outlet is neatly tucked under the bumper, maintaining a clean and streamlined rear profile. Overall, the 2025 Nissan Micra's backside balances style and practicality, ensuring it looks just as impressive from behind as it does from the front. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.